Did you know that pigs and chickens and a horse and a fox can fly?
No.
Yeah, look up. See?
What?
Yeah, look. They believe they can fly. They believe they can touch
Oh
the
my.
sky. See, look at a fox. They believe that they could fly all day. And then they flapped their wings and flew. They believed they could fly.
That hole is dead.
And now for the parody of It's Rainy Chickens. It's rainy chickens.
And right out of the sky. No reason to ask why.
We'd like to ask why. Chickens. There's no excuse. It's raining chickens. Out the sky. Holes in the eye. Fat hole. Chickens and yes. Chickens. Chickens and fat holes all over the place. And thanks for watching. So bye. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. We will see you guys later. Bye!